Here's a short video about our simple American Thanksgiving. Today was Thanksgiving. It's a holiday we celebrate in America every year in November. We have a nice dining room table with a light blue tablecloth under a white lace table cover. The first step is to put the placemats down and then fill in each place with plates and silverware. We prepare a platter with a fork for the turkey and a gravy boat. We also prepared a special side dish for all of our side dishes. We have gravy, which we bought from the grocery store, like most of the food that we had for Thanksgiving today. And Marshmallow Delight. Cranberry sauce. We did cook some green beans with corn and red bell peppers, though. But the main dish, of course, was the turkey and the stuffing, also called dressing. To finish preparing the turkey, we had to carve it. Oh yeah, we had some mashed potatoes too. It was a nice meal for our family in celebration of Thanksgiving this year.